Grade 8 Math number 4.4b, proportional versus non-proportional using just a graph. If a relationship is non-linear, it's non-proportional. Non equals not. It means not. So if it's non-linear, it's non-proportional. Look at this line. This is not linear. This is not a nice straight line, is it? We can see that our points were going up by 2, and then it didn't go up by 2, did it? It went up by a half, and then it started falling. Well, that's non-proportional, and this is non-linear, okay? So it's both. And as we said in the last video, if a relationship is linear, it can be either proportional or non-proportional. See? When it's non-linear, it's automatically non-proportional. If it's linear, it could be either or. And the way to tell is it goes, if it's proportional, it goes through the origin, the 0, 0, like we said in the last video. When the graph of the linear relationship contains the origin, the 0, 0, it's proportional. And when the graph has an x value of 0 and an integer for a y-intercept, it's non-proportional. This one has a y value of -3. See? It doesn't go through the origin, so it's non-proportional. But just having a y-intercept of 0 is not enough proof that it's proportional. It's got to also be linear. The rate of change, the slope, must be the same between each point. It's got to have a regular slope, like 3, 3, 3, or 2, 2, 2, or 6, 6, 6, whatever it is, so that it's on a regular slope, okay? And it doesn't matter if it's a negative slope or a positive slope, okay? The rule is the same between linear, proportional, and non-proportional, okay? So just remember, non is not, and in order for it to be proportional, it's got to go through the 0, 0. And like we said in the last video, you could even see that on the table, because the x value and y value will both be 0, where in the non-proportional one, it'll have an x value of 0 and a y value of something else, some negative or positive number, okay? So it's pretty easy to look at these and tell, all right? You can tell that's not linear because it's kind of curvy, isn't it? All right? So we're going to continue on talking about proportional and non-proportional, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget I'm on Twitter, and if you need any of these whiteboards for study guides, you can print them or save them to a file. Just let me know which one you want. And don't forget that I'm on patreon.com. Bye.